everyone. So in today's video we will be continuing a same project or the same game which we have done almost. We have completed its 5 parts. So let's begin, or the 4 parts. So its name is Justice League. If you haven't seen, then you can click on my channel's name and you can watch all my previous videos. And आगे बढ़ने से पहले please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue. So up till now we have done all these things, like we have created everything. We have even created the obstacles also. Now only just a thing is left, that now even it is touching. When it is touching, game over is displayed. Now only last thing is left, that is making its death conditions plus making it collide with these and making, like, see, whenever our batsman touches any of the wall or any of the sprite, the game should stop and it should display game over, you lost. If it touches the joker, then it means you won. And we will give you also life, like let's give it the life of 5 or 3, because if we will give 10, then it will be very easy for the player, then he will know all those mechanics. So let's start. Now what I need to do is that main thing is completed, just we need to give the end conditions. So now we will write as, so see, now we want to write a big condition for villain 1, all the villains plus all the walls. So first we will write normal if, or simply drag and drop from control panel. See, for loop is different, so I will teach you in the next game which we will create. So I think this time the videos will be of 10 to 12 minutes. So let's continue. Okay, so now I want that if Batman, or you can, even if you're having a doubt like me, so you can copy this name from over here only. Okay, right here, Batman dot is touching. If you don't know that what is touching, you can click over here, see examples. It will show you whatever you are finding, like see everything, what is each, what is price, which category does it come in between, comes, what is this touching, everything. Okay, and even I'm going to tell you that is touching also. If you want to drag and drop, here is the is touching. In the sprites column, scroll down, just go down and you will see is touching. So you will write is touching. What is the target's name? First let's give it as villain 1. Now see, we will not write this villain 1, villain 2, villain 3, villain 4 and all the walls. No, we will come over here, give a space, and then we will give this condition. This is known as OR condition. In coding it is known as OR. You can even also drag and drop from here. Okay, so this can also be done, like if you want that, if you are not getting that key, so what you can do is that you can drag and drop OR. Okay, now OR, and now we will write for everything. Okay, and let me show you once again that what we will do. First we will write like this only, so let's give it as, let's write it over here. Okay, so now we will write here as villain 2. Okay, so now once again we will write OR condition and then again we will continue. Okay, so like this you have to write for everything. So let's complete it. Alright, so now I have written the code for the death condition also. So now see, if Batman dot is searching villain 1 or villain 2, and up till I have given for 9, death equals to death plus 1. But when I am doing like this, it is not taking the condition of the death. The reason is the reason is that I have declared death also, like you have to declare death equals to 0 before function only. I have declared, but why isn't taking? See, I am opening this thing. Okay, so now see, I have written where death equals to 0 also. But if you see properly, then you can see that it is, first it gives like this, and then I have given a death condition also. Okay, so see, this is a game which I created first time. See, death is also being counted. Wait, okay, so this is how it works. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open it, Godot.org. It will take some time to load because the net is not proper right here where I'm residing right now. Because I was in Chandigarh right now in my grandparents' house. Okay, it is opening. See. Okay, so see, the thing I'm trying to explain is that listen, Batman dot is touching. I have given this condition also, but I haven't declared the death condition, that what should happen on the death also, so that it should understand, right? Because for that I should just remove this noise for a while. Okay, wait, it's saving, right? So sometimes it's like that. See, it's saving it. Okay, so now it is opening. Whenever it saves at a low internet speed, so it reloads once again. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so let me once again explain you that when, see, I have given here the 10 that when death is triple equal to 10. See, what does this triple equals to mean? Triple equals to mean that you are giving a condition. You are giving that if death is triple equals to 10, that is. Alright, so this triple equals to means that when you are assigning something or you are saying that this, मतलब कि जब आप बोल रहे हो, if you are saying कि ये condition ही apply है, this means that you are applying one single condition. That means you have given something that only on this thing it should go. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same thing. So let me copy it because it is a big code. So even it will take a time while writing also. So I'm copying it. And just I'm going to delete this. Okay, so let me first again tell you that what will happen. See, when death is triple equal to 10, fill green, text size and text font, text, and I have to display the text that game over, fill green, again text size, and then I have to write text you lose, villain 1, villain 2, everything should stop at the places. Okay, so let's try it. Is it working? Yes, it is working. It touched and suddenly it disappeared. So let's try it once again. Okay, so the thing is that the I have given everything. Now it is properly working. Alright, so now, but it is not enough. We even have to, let's see that, see, it is coming, right? But what if we try to do something, 2-3 things more, like let's say whenever it is coming over here or wherever it wants to go. Let's try to do some things like experimenting. Let's do some experimenting. Okay, so now we have also given that if it is touching the Joker game over, you won. So, but is it okay? Okay, so now what we will do is that we have given death is equals to death plus 1. We have given total take chances. Alright. But see now, but the thing is that we have experiment. Isn't it wrong? Like, see, I have given 10th, but it is going on the first only. So the reason is that I have given death, everything I have given properly, but I haven't declared some things. I will tell you, like, not now, I will tell you that in the next video, because even I want to tell you in brief time also, so that the video is not that much longer. Okay, so in next video we will figure out that I will also. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and please, whenever you step out of your house, please wear a mask and follow the guidelines given by the government. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day ahead.